Pistol brace rules, frames and receivers rules, solvent trap rules, suppressor rules, what other rules? Force reset trigger rules. What are we going to do? Let's talk about it. Thank you and welcome to Lawyered Up. I am Patrick McGeehan. I am a Florida trial attorney and former police officer, and I bring you news and information from around Florida and around the country involving firearms and the Second Amendment. I got a question the other day from a guy who asked me, what are you going to do when the new pistol brace rule goes into effect in December? And I hadn't really thought about it much until he asked me that question. So I've been thinking about it, and here's what I think I'm going to do. Well, maybe, because we don't know if it's actually going to go into effect or get enjoined prior to it going into effect. So hypothetically, if I had firearms with pistol braces on them, I don't know if I want to register them and send pictures in and participate in this what's called amnesty, because amnesty implies that there was some type of crime that I'm being pardoned for. And it's certainly not a crime to own these. It hasn't been a crime to own them for the last decade since they've been developed. And the ATF originally said, yeah, it's perfectly fine to have these, and now all of a sudden they want to change rules. So I'm not real sure about the way they're going about it. I don't think it's constitutional. I think it will eventually get struck down. But in dealing with the process, until that happens, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Like I said, I'm not comfortable sending in photographs and registering or participating in an amnesty period. What I may do, and it depends on the development of the law going forward and the development of the rule, and what happens, what court challenges happens, and where it goes come December, I'll have to make a decision. But I think for the time being, I may just disassemble these firearms. Hypothetically, if I hypothetically had firearms that were equipped with pistol braces, I think I would just disassemble them. I mean, when I purchase the firearms, I always purchase my AR lowers as an other, so they're not designated a rifle or a pistol, and you can interchange them and change back and forth. And I just think that I'm not comfortable with the way they're going about implementing the new rule and the changes and what you have to do to comply. So as it stands right now, I think I will just disassemble those hypothetical weapons that have pistol braces. Let me know what you're going to do down in the comments. I'm interested in hearing some other positions on this. Thank you as always for joining me here on Lawyered Up. Listen to me ramble on about things I'm passionate about. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe and share with your friends and help me beat the YouTube algorithm.